You don't even know my name. If you really want me, give me more some time. Don't go there, my
left and I have come on EA, come on, Boateng. Oh, he's 85, he's 85. Oh no, oh, it's the wrong Boateng. Oh my god, it's his brother. I thought I got the good Boateng. He's worth so much. Oh, come on EA, don't troll me like that.
Anyway, you scumbag. Right, come on. Give me something good, EA. Oh, yes! Fucking get in! Fuck off! Yes! Cheerleading! Yes, overpowered. Fucking get in. Fuck off. Fucking number 4 in fucking captain challenges. Fucking top 5. Fucking... Yes! Fuck off.
Either way, one or the other, so... It. Oh, I'm quite happy, but I've got to just keep it inside me. I'd wake my mum right now. I'd go in there and pick her out of bed and throw her out the window, but I can't.
What? I got Torres! I got Torres! Oh my god! I got Fernando Torres!